I have two thoughts for company that give me joy and trouble. I rejoice because of the good one, and I am wretched because of the bad one. By such a bittersweet thought, the entire world is filled. So I'd be among the clueless if I didn't know good from bad so well. I pursue two lines of thought, separate the part from the whole. I consider a natural mystic him who can guide us to know our thoughts. I don't know how to keep myself from foolish thoughts, because if I think I am thinking straight, foolishness just comes rustling in my ears, and I fall from high to low.
Makes gay fears dancers lose their balance, for intention and empty promise don't match each other in spite of them.
Our thoughts are warped by the mountain which gave birth to the mouse, which is how I see the rich decay, for I did not hear a single one come give bountifully.
Not one bountifully.
Of course not.
Alas, he was born and baptized yesterday. Who thought he'd put hurdles in my way? I let my neighbors know that I disapprove when he thinks of acting like a mouse.
And he who, in his thoughts, fancies himself a baron, has thoughts that are far-fetched and acts that lead nowhere.
For foolish thought engenders foolish rumors, and these easily harm, either openly or in secret. Those who think of adulterers' love are the victims of a foolish fantasy, because I can't find a sincere one in 1,000 of these dreamy loves.
But I should not lay the blame entirely, because youth would be hated,
and if thoughts of love were put into oblivion,
joy would be dead in a ditch.
Married people fantasize easily, and after wine and pretzels, many foolish thoughts haunt them, through which the world becomes space.
one fancies himself thinking very clearly, but does not understand what Marcabru says, that women and children have a common bias. Ladies are crazy with foolish desires, knights are foolish because of fantasies. Because of them, the proud poor have gone wild. May God welcome these unfortunates.
Because facts of thought we never saw turning green at the top more than they do at the root.
For with a good thought, a man can die, if it isn't supported by an even better work.
Thinking they follow the crooked path, whistling to a horsefly as if it were a goshawk, and leave the straight path, following the advice of stingy people who inspire in the rich miser that through which youth is withered and joy bankrupt among earnest men, and fallen from basin to Bertot.
Dun 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 dun.